I don't have lipstick on because people were requesting that I do this color charge. So I'm going to see. It's really flaky. It made like a mess. But I want to try that purple. So I'm going to use this as fixed. So I checked on the website, and the two things I remember is you can wear it alone with gloss, or you can put it over lipstick. Now, they came out limited edition lipstick and a nice lip liner, and I'm still contemplating whether to get that or not. Let's try this brush. One of the things I am concerned about is dipping it back in once it's all full of lip gloss. Is that going to ruin it? So I'm gonna. Oh, that is really pretty. I hope the camera's picking. Oh, and see, it just like the little bit of extra that was on the brush just spilled on my shirt. I'm starting to see. Oh, are you getting that? That is so pretty. And there was a third way to do it. I only remember the gloss and the lipstick. It might, I don't know, maybe. But on their website, they show you. So, yeah. Oh, snap. Yeah, you need to put, you cannot wear this alone. All right, here goes. I'm trying to blend my liner with the lipstick. I just took a like not a soft brush, but a little bit of a harder brush. I guess you would. I don't know if you call it a synthetic, but it isn't the soft head brush. It's like the stuff you use to put, like concealer and stuff. And that's what I used for the lips. I'm gonna take a little bit of, let's see, the duochrome, and I'm gonna pat it on. I don't want to do the silver. So you can, just highlight. I think that's nice. My concern is, will it get ruined if you dip after you put lip gloss on, you keep dipping the brush back in? And definitely, it's not really a concern because now I know you cannot wear it alone. Your lips, no, no. It doesn't, it's not like, not even like when you're wearing a matte, it's, it's like you just put powder on your lips and it just feels really, really dry. So I really, really would not do it that way. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to show you. So what I've been doing lately, because I'm really getting tired of dyeing my hair, is just putting this in my white, which it broke. It's supposed to have like this cushion on top, and the cushion just broke. So I would not really, really advise using this Clairol Color Crave. It broke and it drips. It drips down your face, and after you've done your makeup, that's a pain in the butt. And then on the bottom part of my hair, I've been using my. Not sure if this is from the Ions, but I got that at Sally's. Now I heard there's a brand called Arctic Fox. that is supposedly 1,000 times better than Manic Panic. And they're at Sally's now. I never ordered them because they're kind of expensive and then you got to pay for shipping. And I'm not sure if it was just in Europe at the time when I found out about them. But it is kind of pricey. It's $10 as opposed to the one for $3. And they probably raised the price now to $5 for the Kiss Express. But I wanted to try it out. And she did say it might not take because I have to bleach my hair first. I want to see if it takes to my white hair, my silver hair. But this part of my hair, you could tell it's been treated already because I had tried some other stuff, whatever, 6 months ago. So let's see how that works. Again, and I didn't want purple this time because I got the lavender one because I want something soft. So let's see how that comes out. But anyway, that's what I've been doing in my hair. I keep forgetting to tell you is this, which I don't recommend, and this works pretty good, but it's just a subtle color. It's like you have to pour the whole bottle in your hair and probably have your hair really stiff if you really, really want it. But I put enough for it to show, enough for it to show. But anyway, that's what I've been doing with my hair.